Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use tools such as import random, like what we would have used in GCSE, but this time I'm going to link it with Tkinter. So just like I always do, I've got to import Tkinter, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly create my window, and what I'm going to do is, the idea is that I'm going to have, I'm going to call this roll of dice. And the idea is that when the user presses the button, that a random number will be generated between 1 and 6. So obviously that's what a dice provides. So I'm going to create a button. I'm just going to call it button 1. I could call that roll, could call it anything you would like. And inside my button, it's going to appear as roll. And then I want to place my button somewhere on my page. So let's just do 30. Width equals 50, height equals 20. So I don't want it as high as it is wide. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do answer or result. So let's change the result. Result equals message. And this is, instead of using a label to display the output, I'm going to use a message box. Now this is just an alternative to using a label. So result dot place answer x equals 40, y equals, so 70, width equals 30, and then height equals 30. So this is just a message box, which is just like say an alternative to a label. Now I have my, let's just run this, see what happens. Hopefully I have a window and I have a button. But obviously when I press it, nothing happens. So what I now need to do is create a function which will output a message. So I'm going to do def roll. So inside my function, I'm going to have num equals random dot rand int, and that is going to select a random number. And in this example, it's going to select a random between 1 and 6 because we want to simulate a dice roll. Now I want to do result. And the reason I'm going to put text in here is I want this to now appear as num. Okay. If I close my bracket. So now I need to, inside my button, I need to change command. I need to add command and tell it to call the function roll. Now, if I run this, okay, so it hasn't found any problems just yet. Now if I click on roll, and there we go. So every time I press the button, it's going to randomly select a number between 1 and 6 to simulate a dice roll. And obviously to take this further, I could add in the image of the dice that I did earlier on in another video. We could have an image in there and we could make it look a little bit more professional. We could make the button a little bit bigger. So there are many things we could do with this, but that is how we can create a simple program to simulate a dice roll using Tkinter.